Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to download, install, and verify VMware Workstation Pro. This will prepare your system for creating a virtual lab with Windows Server 2022, Windows 11 clients, and Rocky Linux 9. Step 1. Download VMware Workstation Pro. Open your web browser and go to the VMware Workstation Pro download page. Select Windows as your operating system. Click Download and save the installer to a known location on your computer. Step 2. Install VMware Workstation Pro. Locate the downloaded file and double-click it to start setup. Click Next on the welcome screen. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Choose the installation path. The default location is recommended. Enable or disable the enhanced keyboard driver, then click Next. Choose whether to check for product updates on startup, then click Next. Click Install to begin the installation. When it's done, click Finish. Step 3. Verify VMware Workstation installation. Open VMware Workstation Pro from the Start menu. Go to Help, then About VMware Workstation to confirm your version and license. Next, open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab and check CPU status. Make sure virtualization is enabled. If it's disabled, restart your computer, enter the BIOS or UEFI, and enable Intel, VTX, or AMD-V. If VMware does not start properly, disable Hyper-V by running this command in command prompt as administrator. dissim.exe/online/disable feature : Microsoft Hyper-V. Restart your computer and confirm VMware launches without any errors. That's it. VMware Workstation Pro is now successfully installed and verified. You're ready to create virtual machines for Windows Server 2022, Windows 11, and Rocky Linux 9. In the next video, we'll build and connect them into a complete lab network. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow for the next part of the series.